It was too hot to record the other day, so I figured I'd just show you what I done on video later. All I did was I put another row in, and then I filled them with gravel, and I filled in. There was a little trench on each side of the block with dirt, and then where I'm going to put my next block, I put rock. And every 2 layers on this, the manufacturer recommends putting Geogrid. This is what Geogrid is. It's just like a fiber and plastic material in a grid pattern. This is bidirectional Geogrid. It means that in 2 directions, it's strong. What the Geogrid does is it lays over there and it prevents the blocks. It locks all the blocks together. So I'm going to lay this so this front layer is right here, right behind this block here, probably an inch back or so. Here, and I'll start here. So I cut my corner blocks already, and I'm just going to start placing my blocks. I'm just going to put this one here. It doesn't have to be perfect for now, but I just put it close. See how this is how easy it is to place the next row of blocks. Just I make sure the edge is right there. That's it. Oh, and before I started placing these blocks, I dusted it all off to make sure there's no rocks or dirt on top. Putting the block there, see where my finger is pointing? Oh no, don't zoom in on the finger. Yeah, where the finger was pointing, right there, that's the hardest place to level a block on top of that Geogrid. So it sucks. So that's why I don't put the Geogrid when I do this row here. I stop my blocks. I stop my Geogrid at the rock, okay? It's so hard to level the block on top of the Geogrid. I learned that on the other wall that I built. So don't try to put a rock, don't try to put a block there. So what I do is I have my compacted area, and it's like an inch or 2 low, okay? Then I'll pour some gravel on top. It's our number 53s, by the way. It probably differs from your location. And I'll take some of these big rocks out of here. I'll spread this out best I can. Actually, I might need more. Nice and high. Oh, yeah. See it, and it went on top of this block too. That ain't. I'm not gonna get that out. So what I'm doing is I'm getting my head stuck in the rope. What I'm doing is digging out around the edges of the block. I'm going to go on top of the block, and I'm just going to get it where I want it. And I'm going to try to line this string too. I reset my string line to better line up with everything. We're at 9 1/4, just about. And we're at 9 there. I'm gonna move it back a hair, 1/4 inch. That felt pretty good. 9 That's good enough for me. So it's an eighth off. I'm willing to be an eighth within tolerance. I'm gonna tap it forward. There. Okay. Got this. We're gonna check level now. I'm sure I have to tap it level. Wow, it's pretty good. Wow. That's good. That was a surprise. It's got to go down a little bit in the back though. Yeah, look. Higher there. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Yes. Excellent. So now you can see the level is sliding over all of these in each direction. I laid down another row of blocks, and now I filled those the centers with gravel, and now I'm lightly compacting the gravel that's in the center of those blocks. When I do these fast forward scenes, this is at 4 times speed, just so you know. Let me know what you think about the speed of these. If you want me to fast forward it more often or want me to go slower. Let me know in the comments below what your preferred video format is. Here is another 4 times speed video, and I'm using that landscape timber there. It's kind of like a 4x6 with rounded edges to compact the dirt immediately behind the blocks, and I found that really holds in my hands really good, and it's got a nice weight to it, and it really compacts it pretty good. I've had really good luck using that as my compaction tool. This video is just about done. If you like this video and you want to see the rest of the series and how the wall turned out, please like and subscribe, and